This video will explore the synchronous condenser. This machine is a critical component for stabilizing the modern renewable electric grid. As renewable energy replaces fossil fuels, the heavy steam turbines are removed. This transition means the modern grid loses its natural inertia, leading to stability challenges. A synchronous condenser acts as a large electric motor, spinning freely without a mechanical load. It provides essential, invisible stabilization services to the grid. The grid needs reactive power, similar to how a shock absorber works. Active power performs work, while reactive power maintains magnetic fields, enabling active power transmission. Operators control the magnetic excitation of the condenser. The overexcited mode supplies reactive power to raise voltage, while the underexcited mode absorbs reactive power to lower voltage. Solar and wind systems use digital inverters that lack physical mass. This can lead to a weak grid where frequency becomes unstable during disturbances. The synchronous condenser contains a massive rotating rotor, storing immense kinetic energy. This physical momentum provides synchronous inertia, instantly stabilizing grid frequency. Grid faults cause sudden current surges. Physical machines, like synchronous condensers, inject massive fault current, providing the short-circuit strength needed by protective circuit breakers. Mechanical synchronous condensers outperform static compensators like STATCOMs in terms of physical inertia, short-circuit support, and instant response, despite requiring more maintenance. Condensers address four major grid challenges: stabilizing remote renewables, supporting HVDC converter stations, correcting power factor in heavy industry, and repurposing decommissioned coal plants. Engineers are repurposing retired coal assets by disconnecting the old steam turbine and connecting a starter motor to spin the generator. This converts the generator into a condenser. Smaller condenser units are typically air-cooled. Large, high-capacity units use pressurized hydrogen gas for cooling, which reduces friction and efficiently removes heat. To maximize frequency stabilization, heavy flywheels are attached to the machine shaft. This design increases the rotating mass and kinetic energy storage. Although synchronous condensers have high initial capital costs, their grid resilience value is significant. These machines prevent expensive regional blackouts, ensuring a massive return on investment. The synchronous condenser provides a physical heartbeat, regulating digital grid voltage. It bridges the past and the future, guaranteeing a reliable and sustainable green grid.